Okay, we are breaking a box of 1112 Dominion for $2 bill. All right, here we go, buddy. Good luck.
Oh boy, oh boy. See, all your pretty stuff gets in the way nowadays and everything.
So what are we looking for? We're looking Chicago.
Nice Patrick Kane. Or even let's go old school, like a nice Dennis Savard or something, 101, a Chilios.
Okay.
Let's see the side view. Okay.
There we go here. Nikita 101, I'll do my best for you. Okay, so we start with a base card of Miku Koivu out of 199.
Oh, Nikita 101, wow.
Nice. We've got a patch auto rookie 7 out of 25, the Colorado Avalanche Cameron Gaunce.
That's a nice patch.
Nice patch, absolutely.
Well, I can't see the names.
Then we've got the rookie patch auto out of 199 for Eric Gustafsson. So I'll try and get the, you can see the glare.
Could be off my head too.
Nice, we're going to go this way. So we have 49 out of 60 for the Calgary Flames. See the names here. Curtis Glencross. Nice patch. Out of 60. Very nice patch on that one.
Well, I can't see when you do stuff like that.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, here we go.
So we have a redemption for Pen Pals triples for the Edmonton Oilers, Grant Fuhr, Mark Messier, and Paul Coffey.
Nice. Guaranteed Edmonton fan. Any Edmonton fan would want that. That's a nice one.
See it there. It's camera to focus. It takes a while. No, it's not going to focus. You can take my word for it. Come on. There we go.
Yeah, I know. I was just thinking the same thing. It's like, oh.
Yeah, Grant Fuhr, Mark Messier, Paul Coffey. Okay, Pen Pals triples.
Let's start from the back.
We're going to go from the back now. So we got a decoy. We have a one. Yeah. Okay. So we've got a 1 of 1.
1 of 1, people.
Printing plate patch for David Savard.
That is neato.
Nice patch. So 1 of 1 printing plate for David Savard. Yeah.
I know. I just want to.
I'm just going to show 1 of 1. There you go.
It's
David Savard.
Yeah.
Not Denny Savard. I tried. We got pretty close. That's pretty good. Okay. So next up, for the last card, we have a Crazy Eights booklet. Number 25 out of 25 for the Detroit Red Wings.
So close.
Steve Yzerman, Brett Hull, Brendan Shanahan, Nicholas Lindstrom, Thomas Holmstrom, Pavel Datsyuk, Henrik Zetterberg, and Jimmy Howard.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
There you go. That was a pretty killer box.
Nice 10.
Yeah, close.
Nice 10.
Absolutely.
Wow. A printing plate, a booklet.
Yeah, we got
the
book.
Pen Pals.
That Pen Pals triples. Grant Fuhr, Mark Messier, Paul Coffey. That's a sweet hit. All right, let me just stop this recording here.
Wow.